Sporting associations have been getting approval to stage competitions on a staggered basis for the past year, but that privilege hasn't been afforded to the Jamaica Race Drivers Club, JRDC. An overgrown Dover Raceway tells the story of inactivity at the well-known St. Anne racetrack, which has been idle ever since the COVID-19 pandemic hit Jamaica. JRDC Chairman Junior Barnes says all they want is the opportunity to show they can host racing safely.
The good thing about Dover is that we're on 40 acres. We can hold 30,000 persons. We're asking for 3,000. Now, all we're asking is for the same favor that was granted to Carton to come to us. I'm asking them to come and tell us where they want the station, what they want us to do, and it's done.
But Barnes says while they wait on that approval, they have to put plans in place, including organizing a race meet for the end of the month, should they get the go-ahead.
Come March, we still have to pay the lease for this place, and we have a tentative date for February 27th. The members and drivers, they're all aware of it, and we're pushing forward. We're hoping to get approval soon, as in days.
In the meantime, the drivers who were at Dover sharpening their skills are hoping their recent tune-ups won't count for naught. William Myers is one of them.
We've been waiting for 2 years now. Hopefully, the government will let us race at some point this year. Myself, like other racing drivers, have been itching to get out, go racing again, and put on a show for all the racing fans in Jamaica. So, hopefully, sooner than later, racing presumes.
Demar Lee says once the green light is given, he will be ready to go.
I just can't wait because, it has been very long, and I know all the other racers can't wait. But we're just trying to get the car ready and see what we can get done.
And Sara Mitchell says nothing can replace the atmosphere at Dover during competition.
I really hope that I can see Dover come back, not just for the racing, but the community engagement, the locals that come and they sell food and everyone comes and, every little bit helps. You have people who are selling, you have people who are buying from the locals, people coming from Kingston, from Montego Bay, you have the whole country coming as one to, watch racing and be together and support each other and the environment. I really hope to see it come back.
The JRDC's last race meet was in October of 2019. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.